嘅喎，嚇親你啊！真係一間房真係10個人到嘅啫，但係可以入好多人嘅，前門入後門出，前門入後門入。總之嗰晚好似唔會搖亂咁樣㗎。
哦，係19期啊嗱，你叫佢
19期啊，你叫19期。咁啊，
你有咩想講下咧？
首先我想講咧就係我哋警隊係唔鼓勵人哋食煙嘅嚇。
可唔可以唔講嗰啲咁 official 嘅嘢咧？今晚
雖然
講唔講得粗口先？
雖然
唔講都講咗啦。
好啦，雖然士多有煙賣啊，但係唔鼓勵人食煙嘅。
咁係咪關阿蔡 Sir 事咧？士多有煙賣，
士多就唔關。
但係你講士多定其天啊？
唔係嗰個分院士多啊。
哦，唔係分院有個雜務咧，成日煮麵俾我哋食㗎。係，嗰個佢老婆咧好大個波㗎咧，記唔記得啊？大家好似有嚟喎今日，唔知點解佢老婆咁大個波啊！真係。
你嗰期同我嗰期有咩唔同？
我知道子博咧都係非二一期嘅師弟嚟嘅，咁佢即係師弟，就俾你講下啦。
一次過清算晒佢啦。
嗱，講開俾師兄蝦咧，咁啊當然我都有唔少啦。咁啊，大家應該記得啦，喺營房前面咧有2個種花嘅地方啦嘛。係啊，花盆。咁咧個 Peter 就係話你2個仔嘅話咧，就插一支泥鏟就擺喺前面，跟住咧我哋就插隻手落啲泥度咧，搶天龍神劍啊叫做。哇！慘到〜係啊，好慘啊真係，
講咁多嘢嘅，嗰陣時冇嘅喎。我係去阿陳 Sir 陳少華教官叫我去，喂你可唔可以今個禮拜唔放假？我話咩事啊陳 Sir？我幫手揼個掘嗰個3級票嘅池啦咁樣嘅啫喎，唔會尋咩天龍神劍喎。
好慘啊！不過我有陣時成日都想問嘅咧，其實改編咗個效歌咧，其實係咪由第1期開始傳落嚟嘅？
好坦白講。第1期咧係冇校歌㗎，係咪先？
冇校歌，我哋冇校歌，
我有校歌啫。所以咧就喺度澄清咧，好多個江湖傳聞喺劇 School 裏邊咧，怪責我哋師兄傳落嚟嘅嘢咧，係完全係假嘅。OK， 但係咧，全部真嘅。但係咧有一樣嘢係真嘅，就係大家都係留住劇 School 嗰一滴血。多謝大家。
影相俾我哋，多謝咁多謝 ，OK， 多謝各位先嚇，聽完，我影咗集先。
林 Sir 講兩句先，林 Sir 去邊啊？林 Sir，快啲上嚟講兩句先，唔好炸啊！而家我唔驚你嘅。林 Sir， 而家我唔驚你嘅林 Sir。
我有蘋果先嘅就係佢㗎。
如果講喺 Connect School 咧，我輩份係最高㗎，做香港徐耀光校長啊！
徐 Sir，
咁所以咧，如果要講嘢，應該佢講先。我每一次同啲同學聚會，嗰啲同學成日就話：啊，好彩我哋嚟到，如果唔係我乜乜。但係我係好坦白同佢講，我話如果當時冇咗你哋，我哋就冇得撈㗎啦。
多謝徐 Sir， 多謝徐 Sir。
仲有咧，如果冇在場各位冇嗰幾千個踢計咧，香港個治安咧都不堪設想㗎。好，不如呢個時候影翻張合照先好嘛？
多謝徐 Sir。
影翻張相先嚇 ，thank you，唔該晒。
好啦，咁我哋可以收翻支咪先啦，咁大家好整齊嘅。係。
我哋仲有格簡 Sir 同埋吳 Sir 都未上台。
俾啲掌聲請我哋嘅各位前輩上台好唔好啊？
好啦，我再請啲阿 Sir 上台先嚇，影翻張合照先嚇，影翻張相先。
好，準備好，首先大會攝影師示一示意先，大會攝影師 official 嘅，舉舉手，係啦，預備。好，大家望住大會攝影 ，pass。OK， 好，唔該晒，唔該晒，謝謝大家，
下就座，thank you，唔該晒。
叫我嚟嘅。如果唔係我唔知道原來咧，你哋學校咁多回憶，咁開心，有血有汗有歡笑嘅。
係啊，嗱咁啊，其實咧當然。
Mr. Rani, to come to the stage.
我有掌聲，唔好俾佢停好啊！呢位我哋最尊重嘅我哋嘅校長工人。
好，嗱，校工人仲有兩支咪上台啊嘛，2支咪 ，thank you。
We are happy to have you today, and we would like to. We know that you come far away to here from the United Kingdom, and for sure you have a lot to share with us. So it's your time.
Dear former members of the Police Cadet School,
各位警察少年訓練嘅同學同埋職員，
it is such an extraordinary occasion to see so many of you here for the celebration of the opening of the Police Cadet School 40 years ago.
今日係一個好特別嘅日子，嚟到慶祝警察少年訓練學校40週年。
I had to pinch myself to make sure I wasn't dreaming.
我好多時候咧就喺度諗，究竟我係咪仲喺度發緊夢咧？
It is thanks to your generous invitation that my family and I are here today to celebrate this occasion with you. The three of us are very grateful.
我好高興，我同埋我嘅家人得到你咁慷慨嘅邀請，而我能夠同埋佢哋一齊同你慶祝呢個盛會。
The fact that a great number of you managed to turn up for this celebration, some of you from abroad, speaks for itself.
我哋今晚見到咁多同學、咁多職員，大家可以喺度咁高興，就可以知道我哋呢一個盛會同埋呢個學校對於我哋嘅重要性。
The spirit of the Cadet School is living on and will continue to do so for many more years.
學校雖然就已經結束咗，但係學校呢個精神咧會繼續落去㗎。
My husband will be very proud to be among so many of his adopted sons, as he called the cadets.
白禮儀先生雖然已經唔喺度，但係我相信佢嘅精神會同我哋一齊。
Of course, he would have made a speech in Cantonese.
如果白禮儀先生喺度的話咧，我相信佢一定會用中文同你哋講。
I remember the first time he did, after only living in Hong Kong for less than 2 years.
嗱，我所記得咧，佢第一次用中文嚟到演講嘅時候咧，就係喺度2年住咗2年就開始用中文同你哋講嘢啦。
At one point he used the wrong turn for one particular word, and of course it had to be the root turn.
但係我記得佢話俾我聽，有一次佢講中文咧，就係嗰啲聲調就講錯咗，咁於是咧就造成好似好大嘅笑話。
All those present went into an uncontrollable fit of laughter.
咁啊，當然喺呢個事件裏邊就帶嚟大家大笑。
This was the spirit of the man, trying hard, even if it meant there were mistakes to correct at the end.
呢個就係白里爾先生啦，佢會盡量去做，盡量去試。雖然如果做得唔好咧，後嚟到改正佢。
I know all of you, cadets and staff alike, appreciated him for his sense of justice and at the same time his compassion.
我相信在座每一個人都會欣賞白里爾先生對事公正同埋做事係熱衷。
As the great French writer said, justice without compassion is severe.
好似一個法國嘅學者講，佢話公義如果係冇一個心嚟到去咧，係唔完美㗎。
Hong Kong and the British Cadet School will always hold a special place in my heart. One doesn't go without the other.
香港同埋警察少年訓練學校，永遠都喺我心裏邊係一個好重要嘅部分，兩樣我都非常珍惜。
This is where Alexander and Alicia were born, and you also then grew up over the years.
呢笪地方亦都係我個仔 Alexander 同埋個女 Alicia 喺度出世㗎。
That they, like you all, were part of the stuff which made the cadet school unique.
咁佢哋亦都喺香港成長，呢度就造成我同埋我一家係咁特別。
It was very hard to adapt to England after this special long phase of our life.
當然我離開咗 Cadet School 離開咗香港，翻去英國嘅時候咧，係有少少困難適應英國嘅生活。
Then my husband's illness and passing away took precedence.
咁跟住隨着白里爾先生離世，咁當然對於屋企就有所轉變。
I know that some members of the school have also departed.
我亦都知道我所認識嘅當時一啲同事亦都係唔喺度啦。
We all have a sort of sympathy for each of their families at this moment.
喺呢個時刻，我亦都係向佢哋嘅家人致以萬分嘅慰問。
It is good to know many of you have children and perhaps grandchildren.
我好高興知道你哋在座裏邊有好多已經有仔女，甚至係你嗰啲孫。
After all, 14 years have passed for the oldest cadet.
實際上，我哋最大年紀嘅學員已經係度過咗40年嘅光景。
Consciously or subconsciously, you will have instilled in them some of the precepts the staff of the cadet school upheld.
我相信你係好自動或者唔自動啦。我相信你喺個過程一定為你嘅下一代嘅人咧係帶嚟有關 Cadet School 俾你嘅一切嘢。
There is no greater loyalty you could show to the legacy of the training you received?
我諗回饋學校最好嘅就係將呢一個咁特別嘅經驗嚟到去俾我哋嘅下一代。
Again, my family and I thank you all very warmly, and God bless each and every one of you.
我再次代表我嘅家人感謝你哋，我哋都希望神會祝福你哋，多謝各位。
相信在座嘅每一個嘅咧，除咗自己嘅親人之外，呢一班人應該係最尊重係我哋嘅白禮儀校長，係咪啊？俾啲掌聲俾我哋校長出嚟。
Mr. Bernie is one of the senior that we respect the most, and all of the Bernie family. Thank you very much for coming.
好喺呢個時候咧，咁我哋要有一份禮物咧送翻俾我哋校長夫人㗎啦。咁啊，請徐耀光副校長做一個代表嚇。咁啊係一支紅酒嚟㗎噃，不如喺呢個時候攞支酒出嚟先嚇。Thank you。
In order to show, express our sincere thankfulness to the Bernie family, we would like to present Mrs. Bernie a souvenir. And of course, we would like to invite our Vice President, Mr. Choi Yu-hong, to present a souvenir for us.
冇錯啦，咁啊其實呢一份咧係我哋嘅少少嘅心意，咁其實呢一支酒咧咁就係好有意思嘅。好，多謝晒白禮儀校長夫人，遠道喺英國而嚟出席今日一個咁有意義嘅活動。
歡迎大家影張相啦！
一齊影張相好嗎？
一合照好唔好啊？你中間少少，中間呢個位置，我哋可以影埋個校徽㗎，好唔好啊？
好，
咁你 set 咗呢度 in the middle of the stage, the center of the stage. Yes. Okay. And of course, besides the wine, we also prepared something very, very valuable. Which is very precious. I'm sure for Mrs. Bernie, the Bernie family, and all of us.